isip mo sa akin. Pero huwag mag-alala, poprotektahan kita sa mga nagtutulak ang mga ate at kuya. Alahan ka lang ang isip mo, iduduro ko ang saya bukas sa bawat station. Alalamin lang ang nararamdaman na bigla nang umandarating at ako'y iyong nasa lalaki. Radio station, solo aking attention, paligid ay slow motion at makita kita. Di ko alam ang iyong pangalan o tumuwag. Pwede ba kita samahan kahit nasaan pa yan? O binibining nasa basta manatiling nakahawak sa mga railing, pero di ka'y ma-out of balance. Okay lang, ganito naman ako, wala sa kapito, mag-alala. Kahit sasuluhin kita hanggang Las Piñas, hanggang Las Piñas. Mula sa radio station, solo ko aking attention, paligid ay slow motion ang makita kita. Di ko alam ang iyong pangalan o tumutumuhan. Pwede ba kita samahan kahit nasaan na yan? O binibining nasa MRT. Hey! Binibining nasa MRT. Alright, alright, sabay-sabay na yung bilang. Everybody make some noise for who? Palakpakan naman natin si Daddy Josh! Let's go!
What's up mga
What's up, bro? What's up?
The Hawans band. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to present to you the original, the present, and the existing, the alive and breathing members of the Hawans. Kung mga hindi po nakakaalam, ang The Hawans po ay nabuo maraming taon na. In fact, nandito yung bumuo sa amin si God. Siyempre si God yung bumuo sa amin. Pero, Sir Kiko, where's Kiko? Asa si Sir Kiko?
Si Kiko ay nandoon.
Ayun, okay. Yung mga naka-stripe, siya po ang nakaisip ng idea na to. Pero nung binubuo niya kami, ang iniisip niya, boy band. Yung parang,
Yan, sample. Yan to. Yan ang sabi.
pwede pa rin pala eh. Pero obvious naman, parehas na kaliwa yung paa namin. So sabi niya, uy, talented kayo lahat, ba't di kayo magbanda? But you know, things happened. Kagaya na kinukwento namin kanina, di ba naranasan natin sumweldo ng barya. Naranasan namin tumira sa isang apartment na walang aircon, walang rep. Naranasan namin umiyak gabi-gabi kasi wala namang nanonood sa amin.
Meron naman, yung waiter.
Oh, nanonood siya. But I guess what I'm trying to say is, the Hawans is not just for boys that you see performing every day. In fact, this platform, we are standing on the shoulders of brave, courageous men who said yes to a calling, even if they don't know how it's gonna end up. And I just wanna, di ako iyak, cool! Bawal. most amazing shows, the most amazing places, and we still dream of bigger things. But today, we want to pause for a moment. And before we dream of achieving and getting the world, we just want to take this moment and look back to the times where we began and really appreciate the people who started this journey. Hindi ko pa marahil, hindi nyo na po siya halos nakikilala kasi yung pangalan po namin nun, pangalan ng Pintok, 1101. Tapos ang meaning po niya, napakalalim po, yun po yung number ng Pintok. Yun yung address, di ba? Yung nakalagay din sa Pintok 1101, yun ang pangalan namin. Si Nigo yun. Then after Nigo, dumating si Japs, naging Carl Japs, Jason, Giad, and Daniel. And after 5 years, our contracts expired. A lot of things happened in between, of course. And then there's Josh. And then there's Gael. And there's RJ. And here's what I want to share to all of you. May we be a generation who's smart enough, yet humble enough to look back in the past and be grateful for the people who have gone before us. Dahil sa totoo lang po, we are standing on the shoulders of our parents, of the people, the leaders that have gone before us. Ito pong ini-enjoy natin ngayon ay produkto ng mga taong nagbigay ng hard work at buhay nila. So, last na to. We're gonna move on after this. I remember when we were sending them off, si Daniel, si Jason, si Giad, sabi ko, your journey does not end here just because you're not playing with us anymore. I'm gonna make sure that years after, babalikin nyo itong Dahawans, and you will be proud that you were a part of it. And Joshua, can we give a hand for Joshua? Alam niyo po, sobrang mahal na mahal ko itong tao na to. Bro, thank you so much. Because after everything that happened, we never heard a bad word from you. And you always chose to love us because we are your brothers. And we just want to appreciate you for that. And gusto ko pong ipagmalaki sa inyo na bawat isa po dito ay may magandang storya. Hindi man sila naging rockstar, superstar. Sila ay mga simpleng Juan na patuloy na may inaabot at may nararating sa buhay nila. Hindi man tayo lahat magiging artista dito, hindi man tayo lahat magiging superstar dito, ang paniniwala ko kung ikaw ay simpleng Juan at may pangarap ka at naniniwala ka sa Diyos na kaya ang lahat ng bagay, may mararating ka! At yun. So please support them. This guy is, well, tingnan niyo naman po yung mga lasa. Mayaman na po siya.
Sana
Ito, may sariling hotel, sariling coffee shop. Oh, sorry. Oh, may sariling banda. Nameless Kids. Let's support them, okay? Let's go! Siyempre, ang artista namin. Yeah! Artista na siya. I'm very, very proud of you guys. Okay, ako na yan. Is there anything that you want to say before we wrap up this segment? Kasi marami pang mangyayari. I don't wanna, my eyes are all red. I'm all messed up. Bro, ikaw.
Ako na. Pag meron po kayong sapatos na gustong ibenta, pag gusto niyo po ng libreng sapatos, wag po ako. And then, I just wanna thank, of course, everyone for welcoming us still in the family of the Juans. I know it's been a long time since the last time na naging kompleto tayo. At I'm just really grateful, yun lang. And I'm really happy kung saan man napunta na ang Dahuans. And I'm very happy that you guys are still here supporting this band. And walang Dahuans kung walang Juanistas. And thank you guys so much. We love you. Yun lang. Si Josh daw may gusto sabihin eh.
Hindi, meron kaming kasabihan sa The Ones, kasabihan. Laging sinasabi ni Kuya Carl, be present in the moment. And ako gusto ko lang maging present sa moment na to. Huwag niyo muna akong i-cheer, kinakabang. Baka maiyak ulit ako nun. Yun, gusto ko maging present sa moment na to. Actually, yung